Okay, we're going to look at other locus here, and in this case, an example is a parabola. When you have other, what I mean by other is if it is not in a standard locus like a vertical line, horizontal line, circles, ray, perpendicular, bisector, etc., then it is other, and other is plenty of other. This one here is going to turn out to be parabola because I rig it to be, but it looks so scary as it is here. But if you know your definitions, it's not that scary because mz is just, first you have to let z equals x plus iy. So mz is nothing more than y, and rez is nothing more than x, and z plus z bar is just basically 2x. So it's not that scary if you know your definitions. Anyway, I assume you know that. And also, z squared, by the way, is x plus iy squared. But if you expand that in a hurry, you actually get x squared minus y squared plus 2xyi. And so the real part of that would just be x squared plus minus y squared. That's all there is to it. So then, look, go back to here. mz is just y. Rez squared is just x squared minus y squared. Then you've got, actually, I'll make this 2 rez squared. So I'll make this 2 here. Then I'll put this 2 here as well. So mz squared is just y squared, so plus 2y squared. Minus, well, that's just 8x because that is just 2x. And then minus 10 just goes at the end. So it looks very scary, but look, it turns out to be a very, very, very nice thing. Nice thing here. So 2x squared minus 2y squared plus 2y squared minus 8x minus 10, which ends up to be 2x squared minus 8x minus 10. That's all there is to it. Now this, you have to recognize as a parabola because basically that's year 11, 2 unit, or maths advanced, they call it now. Not even hard. So once you get past that, this is now 2 unit. So you have to put this, complete the square again to put it into the parabola form nowadays. And that's x squared minus 4x. And then you're going to have to plus 4 here. But by introducing 4 to complete the square here, you have an 8. But you don't have 8, you have minus 10. So you have the minus 18. So that's in the form of 2x minus 2 all squared minus 18. So your vertex is actually 2 minus 18. And this just tells you it's a concave up parabola. And the y-intercept is when x equals 0. X equals 0, you get 2, so 8, 8. So 8 minus, this guy's going to be minus 10, obviously. So if you were to sketch that, I ask you to sketch it, then it will be 2 minus 18. Y-intercept of minus 10. So that's what it looks like. And you can also factorize this guy too, by the way. I rigged this so you can easily factorize it. And I believe that it's 5 here and minus 1 here. And this is minus 10. And this is 2. And this is minus 18. So this is all rigged, right? To be a nice parabola in 2 unit. And so it's a parabola with a vertex of 2 minus 18. Y-intercept of 0 minus 10. That's all you need. Your x and y-intercept, the x-intercept over here as well. And that's what you have. And that's what I cut.